Hello YouTube, this is Daddy and Carl again today, and today we've come out and got this little gem out, and tell them which one this is, Kyle.
The 1000.
The Hoover Turbopower 1000 with the Permabag. This is Permabag System 2.
And this is and you know the other one, it expends it everywhere.
This one we got for £10. Unbelievable.
The one spend it everywhere.
It's this Permabag 2 is a lot better than the Permabag 1.
The Hoover Turbopower 1 Permabag size it everywhere.
It also has the auto sense function on it.
I don't know.
This one has had new filters all the way through. I'm going to show you the Permabag now. That's the Permabag System 2.
We push these.
And the other side. And inside there.
It's got dirt in there already.
Oh, I've got some more stuff to suck. I'll see what he's been sucking up with this lot.
Speaker.
We'll be putting that back in. Yeah, so
well, shove that there. There's the what those are. So tell what those are.
that one?
Tell me what those are.
Oh, that's just the
dirt sticks.
yeah, that's the dirt sticks.
It goes, all the dirt goes in those, and it does even work.
So
this is what on the post pop in the shirt.
it doesn't matter. They just clip in. You can wash the Permabag as well. Is it the other way around? I think you'll find it's the other way around. There we go. So yeah, you can wash the Permabag.
One way.
No, it's the right way.
Supposed to put one in, sir.
One in.
Supposed to put that side in, and that's on this side.
You can get a bag conversion and convert it back to a paper bag.
No, you can put the paper bag stuff in there.
You can you?
Yeah.
So you can if you wish.
No, on the Hoover Turbopower 1 in his post bag.
Oh yeah. So there's the filters, look. It's got the
it's
bottom
not
filter.
clipping in.
Oh, sort it out. You've got the carbon filter. You've got the top filter. While he's farting around with that.
I think it goes in the shirt way.
It's got a brand new bottom filter. No. I'll clip it in, mate.
It do go in.
Yeah, it just clips in.
I did that.
That's it. You just push it in like that.
Right.
So there's the Permabag.
That's where that goes in.
Yeah, so it hasn't got that stupid little filter that you wiggle, which was a daft idea.
Look, that's it touches that bit right there, and that's the dark thing.
So this is the top of the range Permabag 1000. It, as you can see, it's been cleaned up. It wasn't in this condition when we first had it.
I don't want to show some being stuck up with the hole.
I think it might need some aggregator bearings in this one. So I think we might have to get some of them, but we're not worried about that.
Right, put a solder loose in the hole, sir.
Go on then.
Here's
This is the top of the range one. This one in fact.
Put on where it says hose.
This one was more expensive than the Dyson DC01. It actually came out the same time as the Dyson DC01 as well.
So it's even got caddy till this one.
Yeah, it comes with all the tools, this one.
And it's got, look, it's even got 2 caddy tools.
Go on the show, man.
It's got a nod. It's got a tiny one to get it down the cars.
Yeah, this one's a very good. This is one of Carl's, down there, isn't it?
No, that's where this one goes.
This is one of Carl's best turbo powers, I'd say he's got.
Size, this one is just going to pop it in like that. That's the one I'm using this. This one is the Turbopower 1. These are hard. You take this out and that's going to do this. There. That's how easy it is.
So we have put some Hoover food down on the carpet.
Here we go.
We've given it like a
Here we go.
big rug, big thick rug to. These are quite noisy, these machines. You ain't got no other hoses, mate. I think I did fit a new belt on this one as well. I can't remember. We've had this one quite a while. We just never got round to showing this one, but we just felt like he's got this one out and we're just going to do a test with this one. But yeah, I haven't really done too much to this one. It's a lovely machine. They say on the advert on Ibasiak's channel, they've got it sucking up diamonds, isn't it? Yeah, they got it sucking up diamonds. So it was like the top of the range Hoover Turbopower.
Right, 2.
Right, we'll try it on that one first. It is a fairly long rug.
Let's see how power's on with actually is.
Good job on that, look. Look at that, look. There's a few things left in it. It's a very deep whole carpet, this one. So now you can tell here straight away that the indicator works on this one. Yeah, it's not a dirty fan, mate. This is a suction cleaner, isn't it? Clean air.
I just want to go and have some dirty. Yeah. I know that problem. I know. So come on that. And that pile gets out.
Right. Just down a little bit more. The original Turbopower ones were dirty fan, and I think they're better for larger articles because it's got quite narrow hoses for them, haven't they? It's like it's working up. Put our tech in the day, won't they? That'll get dropped in it, mate. Right, drop it down on the shortest collar in it. Now we're going to drop this one down a bit. It's loosened up a bit now because this one hasn't had a lot of use, is it?
Can you hear the bus wheel spinning?
Go on then, do it again. Alright, well, higher up a bit then.
That's what high it's supposed to be.
Alright.
And if I put it down, the belt will sap.
Yeah. Put on the boost mode. It's taking a lot out of it now, look.
good. Look how the big car moves up the street today.
But the Hoover Turbopower is grooming the carpet very nicely actually. Yeah, it's doing it lovely. This is like energy saving, this one, isn't it? Back in the day.
Well.
He's running a lot better now, isn't he? He's just been sat there for quite a while.
There.
You want to get him out and see what it's picked up? We're going to pick it.
You took it out after and you
Right,
can't put
well,
it
I'll
back
have
in.
to get the bad boy out in a
No, I'm
minute.
going to suck it back up.
I'm going to suck it back up
Yeah.
again. So let's
See,
what-
nothing gets stuck on there at all.
It's very good. So it's actually stayed fairly clean, that one, for a Turbopower.
Got it. Got a bit there, silty.
And that's what it's picked up, look. So it's fairly... It is an impressive vacuum. It is a lovely
I see
cleaner.
one sound in the carpet.
We're very
So
fortunate...
you got a sound in the carpet.
Yeah, I know, you sucked that up, I'll watch you. We're very fortunate to find one like that and to have one... I think you can't really see it, but it's got like a fleck finish, which is very similar to the Permabag system one, isn't it?
What we said.
It's got the fleck in it. So what do you say now?
Bye so now, guys.
And please subscribe to Vacuum Addict and buy from the Turbopower 1000. Bye.